Hey everyone, my name is Ryu and today we're gonna unbox and review one by Wacom. Before we start the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So the specifications for my medium-sized Wacom tablet is 277 x 189 x 87 millimeters, and the active area is 21.6 x 13.5 centimeters. And the weight is only 432 grams. The pen is only 9 grams. The pen pressure level is pretty good with a 2048 pressure level. So that's it for the specification. Now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy my unboxing video and I'm gonna show you the review after this. Okay, so after connecting your Wacom tablet into your computer, you should download the driver on their website and then install it. After that, you need to restart your PC and then voila, you're ready to use it. Okay, so this is the pen working and the software to control what the buttons do. And this is not explained in many videos, but if you hover the pen right above your tablet, you can see the mouse cursor moving, and then you can tap it to left click, and then you can set the button to right click or undo. You can do anything with the buttons. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw something simple just to tell you guys how I feel using it, because all this time I've been sketching using my pencil and paper. I never digital sketch before, so I'm just gonna tell you how I feel about this. And overall it feels very great. It feels like drawing on paper, but you need some getting used to because I accidentally pressed the button on the pen and sometimes I misplace my pen on the tablet because I'm not used to it. But overall it's a very good device. So if you want to go digital drawing and you're just starting out, you can buy this one. I really recommend this one. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing and review. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next one.